This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu without ladyfingers. Instead of traditional ladyfingers, you can easily use alternatives like pound cake slices, sponge cake, or even plain shortbread cookies. Just make sure your chosen base is sturdy enough to absorb coffee without falling apart. Cut your alternative into pieces about 1/2 inch thick for easy layering. This simple swap ensures a delicious dessert. Next, let's create the rich mascarpone cream. Whisk together egg yolks with granulated sugar until light and fluffy, then gently fold in the mascarpone cheese. In a separate bowl, whip egg whites to soft peaks and carefully incorporate them into the mascarpone mixture. This step is crucial for achieving that signature airy, yet decadent, texture that makes tiramisu so irresistible. Now it's time to assemble your tiramisu. Quickly dip your chosen cake or cookie pieces into cooled espresso or strong coffee, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a layer of the coffee-soaked base in your dish, then spread a generous layer of the mascarpone cream over it. Repeat these layers, finishing with a cream layer. Chill your tiramisu for at least 4 hours. Before serving your homemade tiramisu, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with chocolate shavings or a few whole coffee beans. Slice and serve your chilled dessert to enjoy the perfect balance of coffee, cream, and your chosen cake base. It's a delightful treat that proves you don't always need ladyfingers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.